sa New York. From Chinatown kami bumagsak. Talaga mapapansin mo kung nasa New York ka na eh. Kasi ito yung dinaanan namin from Chinatown. And this is New York. And we have the food stand. Woohoo! 99 cents lang ang hotdog.
Meron kaming our friend meted us up. You can add him on Facebook. His name is Bobby Boobin. He's right here. He came with us.
Oh, Bobby!
Oh my God!
Well, actually, we have a video of him. Watch niyo lang mamaya. Bobby! Oh my God, may problema kami. Nawawala yung isang kasama namin. Dude! Sabi mo, ano nangyari?
Nawawala si Bobby Boobin namin.
Oh no!
Kailangan namin siyang hanapin itong mission namin.
Yun ang kailangan namin gawin ngayon. Ngayon sa New York, it's time for search for Bobby! Bobby, where are you?
Dapat may...
Okay, right now we're at the Grand Central. First time lang namin to. Yeah. Wow! Wow! This is the Grand Central, man. So cool! Astig nito, man. Kung makikita nyo dito, ang laki. Ang taas dun. And dito lahat nagko-connect, lahat ng subway papunta sa iba't ibang part ng New York. Mamaya kukunin namin yung subway papunta sa Butter Park so we can go to Statue of Liberty. And believe me, it's a good experience. You should come. Bobby! Bobby, nasaan ka na, Bobby? Miss ka na namin, Bobby. I don't know, man.
Makbo na naman.
Bobby! Naalala niyo yung last video ko na gusto namin pumunta ng Statue of Liberty pero hindi kami nakapunta dahil sarado. This time, subukan ulit namin pumunta. Subukan natin pumunta. Yeah. And hopefully, sana bukas sila kasi ito na talaga, inuna namin eh. After ng Grand Station. And hope na sana makita namin si Bobby doon. Bobby, nasaan ka na? Bukas sa Statue of Liberty. Nakakuha na kami ng ticket. Ticket fee. Dismayado lang itong babaeng to. Siya. Medyo, hindi naman mahal ang ticket but wala silang foreign exchange dito so wala akong pera. Anyway, ayun na, Statue of Liberty. You can see right there. Diyan kami pupunta mamaya. And wala ganong pila so we'll see. Buong araw na namin hinahanap si Bobby. Nasaan ka na, Bobby? Bobby! Daming tao pupunta ngayon sa Statue of Liberty. Tingnan nyo.
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay. Ba? Statue of Liberty.
Well, that's what matters.
Yep.
We'll have fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some
and
fun.
Remember, Monster.
They didn't pay us, but you know what?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. Ano to eh, para sa mga hindi nakakalam ng Monsters, like Red Bull, pero ganito kalaki. Ito yung small nila. So, wow.
I like Rockstar better though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm
Basta ito, pampagising to. Kaya kung inaantok ka, Monster, baby. Hello. Ako si Joe. Naalala niyo ako sa video ng Empty Burst? Or sa isang movie na ginawa ko? Basta ko sa documentary. Hindi? Ako si Joe. Nandito kayo sa New York. Pumunta kami sa Statue of Liberty. Isang talagang trademark ng New York na dapat natin talagang puntahan kung nandito kayo sa Amerika. Magandang lugar to. Ito yung regalo ng brand ng Paris sa Amerika for peace offering. So, ito talaga huwag niyo makalimutan puntahan. Maganda to. Medyo ayos naman.